Okay, I am going to show you how to make the most delicious buffalo chickpea pasta. It's super easy, super tasty, not super healthy, but sometimes you're not going for health, right? So let's do it. Okay, so I just put a pot of water on the stove so that it can start boiling, and then I gathered all my ingredients, and now I'm going to show you what you need. So obviously you need noodles. We're making pasta. I like these. They're from Aldi. They're only $3. There's 8 servings in there, and they only have 2 ingredients, organic brown rice and organic quinoa. So great option. But it doesn't really matter what kind of noodles you use. Just follow the directions for how to cook them and you'll be good. Next thing, you need chickpeas. Otherwise it would not be buffalo chickpea pasta. You can also add in cauliflower if you are interested. I do that sometimes too. It's a good way to get in some extra veggies. It's extra delicious if you roast your cauliflower first. Then you also need some cheese. I'm using vegan cheese because that's how I choose to eat. But I'm sure it'd work with regular cheese too. I'm not sure. I've never tried. And then whatever kind of hot sauce you like. Now I'm going to sit here and wait for my water to boil. I won't make you wait though. So I've decided to be an adult and eat the vegetables tonight. So if you want to add in the cauliflower, I'm going to show you how to do that. But it's delicious with or without it, so it's really up to you and whatever you have in your pantry. So I'm just using frozen vegetables, and I just picked out the cauliflower, and I'm going to cook it about halfway probably in the microwave just so it thaws and stuff and gets rid of some of the extra moisture. And then I'm going to pan fry it just to get a little extra flavor. But if you leave out the cauliflower, then this is a 1-pot meal. And then obviously your bowl you're gonna eat it out of, unless you like want to go really hardcore with the one dish. I mean, feel free to eat out of your pot. It's up to you. Okay, once your noodles are done cooking, you are going to pour out like 95% of the water. You want enough left to coat the pan, maybe just like a little bit more. I'll show you. Just wait. Okay, it's definitely a little bit more than coating the pan. But as you can see, it doesn't come over the noodles. It's just enough to have everything coated. Just enough to have it all coated in. Honestly, that could be a little much, but we're gonna roll with it. So, you're gonna turn your, oh no. Awesome. This is why I never multitask. I'll get back to this eventually. I can't believe that just happened. I mean, honestly, like, where do you even begin with a mess like this? So, funny, kind of related story. Oh, hold on, there's sauce all the way over here.
I came home to make dinner after work before parent-teacher conferences started. And as I was cooking, I shut a cabinet and I spilled a bottle of balsamic vinegar. And obviously it shattered because it fell from the top. Oh, dang it, I sauce literally everywhere. It fell from the top of my refrigerator and it shattered all in between the counters, underneath everything. thing. Like, we had to pull out the oven and wipe down the side of it and the side of all the cabinets. And the entire place smelled like vinegar for like 3 days. And even like months later, we would randomly find like a splatter of vinegar that we missed the first time. And I only had like an hour to be home, and I needed to cook and eat and clean and leave in that amount of time. And I didn't even have food cooked yet. So I spent my entire time cleaning up vinegar and then had to go get fast food anyway.
It's just like literally everywhere. So when you don't spill stuff everywhere, this is actually a pretty quick recipe. Pro tip: put the lid on your sauce when you're not using it. On the plus side, this doesn't smell nearly as bad as the vinegar did, so it could be worse. Let's get back to the recipe now, shall we? So I went ahead and threw everything else in there because, can you stop? Thanks. In a perfect world, I do a 40-60 ratio of mozzarella to cheddar. I'm a little low on mozzarella today. And I just poured in a little bit of hot sauce because I wanted to put the lid on and not deal with stuff. So now we just keep this on low. And I set you back up here. So just give me a second. So now we just cook this over low until everything's all combined and our cheese is all melted. And we're gonna add in our chickpeas. Gonna add just a little bit more of this devilish sauce. And we just sit here and we stir for a while. And then the amount of cauliflower that we have to the amount of pasta is kind of silly, but you know, it's okay. So we're gonna add in our cauliflower. Pan frying it with the sauce just gives it like so much more flavor than just using frozen cauliflower that you microwave, and it makes the texture better.